In a world full of hidden danger, one secret team of super spies watches our tales.
Please say the password.
Beethoven.
Incorrect.
Scooby-Doo?
Garfield.
You got it, sister.
Seriously?
I put in a request.
How was the night shift, all dead?
Well, back's a little stiff. Roast beef.
I'm not gonna even ask. What the feline is that?
I am the most nefarious villain the world has ever seen.
This is not good.
Take to the skies, boss.
Getting closer, boss.
We are getting reports of global unrest developing in the pet world.
We don't stop this now, it could lead to an all-out war between cats and dogs. Bottom line, this starts and ends with you two.
Just need a minute.
When evil strikes,
Soon they will feel what it is like to be unwanted.
We're gonna need a crew.
heroes unite.
Is Clyde in 6D?
He wears a diaper.
You could track someone's scent from a mile away.
Doggy diaper. Enough said.
Anastasia, Leopold, Maximus.
Worms, fleas, explosive diarrhea. That's just Anastasia. We need qualified, dependable specialists.
We robbing a casino?
To catch a criminal mastermind,
Whoa, brakes! 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 Oh no! A roundabout!
Maybe I should take over.
they'll sniff out the clues
Spill the beans, parse pooch! You think it was too much?
and never roll over.
Oh dear God, we're doomed.
Cats and dogs' paws unite.
What do they do?
You should notice your disdain for one another begin to wear off.
Oh, your coat is so soft. Boop.